Y'all want to see our evening routine? It's just past 5:30. Let's get dinner rolling. Yeah. Yeah. For Mr. Gray, I think we're going to do an apple and chicken and some guacamole. How does that sound? I think that's good. Half this avocado going to Mr. Grayson. The other half Kennedy will probably eat because the girl loves avocados. Okay, now for Miss Kennedy. I've got 2 picky eaters in my house, but Kennedy actually really likes these ones, specifically this flavor. Sweet potato. Sweet potato. They're basically veggie nuggets. Yeah. Raspberries for the berry queen. Kennedy, you want to eat? No. What are you doing? I don't know what Grayson's doing. Now is the portion of the night where we get all of our energy out before bed.
Huh?
Hug? You want a hug? Oh, thank you for that hug.
It's flowers.
There's flowers on my phone case, yeah.
It's orange.
It's orange, yeah. You want to play ball? Ball? You want to play ball? Where's the ball? Take a good look at this hair, because it's not going to look like this tomorrow. When you guys see me tomorrow, you're not going to recognize me. Say that. Grayson has a sippy cup. Daddy went in the garage. Where'd Daddy go? Oh, Daddy's got Mama soda. Little cranberry soda. I love you. Oh, somebody's a little tired. That is fashion, girl. Sundays, I'm pretty much in the kitchen all day. So today I meal prepped Carl's breakfast for the week, his lunches for the week, and now I'm about to make his dinner for at least the next couple of nights, probably the next 3 nights. And then after that, I gotta finish up my dinner. It's in the slow cooker. Don't ask. We all eat different things. That's what works for us. Do you want to do sleepies? Do you want to do sleepies? Oh, she's actually running upstairs.
Finish your pouch first.
She ran to the stairs. This is a good sign. Do you want to do sleepies? Okay. Sleepies? I love what you've done with the place. Love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. Mama loves you. Part of getting up early this morning, so it wasn't even that early. We got up at 7 instead of sleeping in. And part of the reason is because I had to go grocery shopping, but also we wanted to clean our room, and we did it. So, clean for once. Back to the kitchen. Oh, hello. Hello, sir. What are you doing? Okay, Carl just checked the monitors, and it looks like both kids are asleep. And it's 7:20. And this is what we thought would happen when we got up early today, because we were just going to bed a little bit too late, okay? Like I said before, when we were sick a few weeks ago, we got off schedule. So we got up early today, kind of hoping to get back into schedule, because we can't be going to bed at 11 o'clock. Lid on. Gonna let that cook. Carl just came up to me and he was like, what should we do now? Because all the food is prepared. The house is clean. You know what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna continue watching. We started a new show on Hulu called Paradise. I saw a video actually on here, and someone was saying how they stayed up all night to watch all the episodes that were out because it was that good. And it's good. And honestly, it's a good thing that I am watching it with Carl, because if I didn't, Carl kind of helps like pace me when we like with series, you know what I mean? Because otherwise I will stay up all night and I will watch it. I will stay up all night. But yeah, he keeps me paced, you know, 1 episode a night kind of thing. And in case you were wondering, my dinner is in here. It is carne asada from Trader Joe's. It's so good in the slow cooker. All right, I'm going to go ahead and shower, get in my PJs, make my taco bowl, and then we're watching TV. I'll see you guys tomorrow. And like I said, I'm not going to look like this. Next time you see me, I'm not going to look like this. I'm not telling you what I'm doing, because y'all try and talk me out of it. I'm just saying, I'm not going to look like this. Happy Sunday. Bye.